Ines Veneracion ibinuking ang natuklasan sa unang pagkikita nila ni Coco Martin, ano kaya yon? Sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon ay nakilala at nakasama ng dating sexy actress na si Ines Veneracion ang teleserye king na si Coco Martin. Napatunayan daw niya na totoo ang lahat ng mga naririnig at nababalitaan niya sa mga kapwa-artista at ilang taga-production tungkol sa pag-uugali ng actor-director. Sa kanyang Instagram page, nag-post si Ines ng litrato nila ni Coco na kuha sa isang event at hinding-hindi raw niya makakalimutan ang gabing yun na i-treasure niya sa habang siya'y nabubuhay. Aniya sa caption, "The night I met Direk Coco Martin for the first time was a memorable experience that exceeded all my expectations. As I walked into the room that evening, he greeted me with a genuine smile and a huge hug, instantly making me feel at ease. It was a stark contrast to what one might expect from a big-name actor-director," mensahe pa ng aktres. Inobserbahan din daw niya ang mga naging kilos ng premyadong aktor at direktor habang nakikisalamuha sa mga taong present sa naturang event. "Throughout the evening, I observed how he interacted with his co-actors around him. He treated everyone with respect and humility. He listened attentively to their ideas and suggestions, never letting his status as a renowned filmmaker overshadow their voices. What amazed me the most was his humility. He had achieved incredible success in the film industry, yet he remained humble and approachable," dagdag pang pahayag ni Ines. Sa huling bahagi ng kanyang IG post, sinabi ng aktres na mas na-inspire pa siyang magpaka-humble at mas maging mabait pa sa kapwa dahil sa pagiging true gentleman at sinseridad ni Coco. Meeting Direk Coco was a testament to the fact that not all stars are distant and unapproachable. He embodied the qualities of a true gentleman, someone who used his success to uplift and inspire those around him. That night, I not only met a talented actor, director but also a genuinely nice person. It was a reminder that humility and kindness are qualities that shine brighter than stardom, aniya pa. Mahigit 2 dekada na si Ines sa mundo ng showbiz at hanggang ngayon ay aktibo pa rin siya sa larangan ng pag-arte.